Exam.
Award. On stage.
Chess. Exam.
I'm currently taking a Spanish course.
Is she working as a chef?
Do you need help with your exams? Do you need help with your exams?
Thank you for helping me with my cover letter, Tom. Your suggestions were all really helpful.
It's a difficult exam.
It's a difficult exam.
I'm studying at school.
Sure, I can help you with your application.
I'm
Grades.
Statue.
Degree.
Exam.
Farm.
Emmett is feeling stressed. She wants to be a doctor, and she's currently preparing for her exams. She knows they will be difficult.
all
Bibi.